Hi viewers, Namaste. This is the Sri Lakshmi Venkateswara temple which is located in Gabbur village, the southern state of Karnataka in India. It is located in Devadurga Taluk, Raichur district in Karnataka. Nearly 30 temples are situated in this village. In olden days, the Gabbur village is called Gopura Grama. Many of these temples were built on the Sri Kalyani Chakravarti kings at 1200th century. To reach this village, we have railway station in Raichur district. The recent history, Sri Lakshmi Venkateswara Swami temple, and it becomes very famous to turning hot water into cold water while doing it abhisheka. We can see the experience in this temple mystery. Thank you.